Hi guys, today I show how we use Agno for the triage email. It's very simple. My goal, I receive your email and my agents say for Triage for this. Okay, I run my agents. This is listing my email inbox. I send the email for me. I send this. When I send this, my work get the email. Okay, I receive email support for each low. Summary: user need help with the upload file to bugs, recommend action, request tile, and support. Replay, suggest replay, not send. So my agents not replace my message. This this code will show how you can use the Agno for optimization and response from any mails. This. Thanks for watching. See you next.